Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on October 2, 2025, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, closed at 21,951.79 points, gaining 100.49 points, or 0.46%, compared to the previous day. Meanwhile, the S&P SL 20 index ended at 6,148.21 points, up by 9.42 points, reflecting a 0.15% increase. Overall, both indices closed on a positive note, with the ASPI showing stronger upward momentum. The total market capitalization stood at 7,817.50 billion rupees. The market turnover for the day was 6.52 billion rupees, with total crossings amounting to 1.4 billion rupees. The highest crossings were recorded in Commercial Bank of Ceylon and Mastercorp. Domestic investors led the market, with purchases amounting to 6,323.89 million rupees, representing 97% of total buying activity. Foreign investors contributed the remaining 191.91 million rupees, or 3%. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded 6,370.33 million rupees, accounting for 98% of total sales, while foreign sales were relatively low at 145.48 million rupees, or 2%. Now let's take a look at today's top gainers in the market. Leading the list was Dialog Finance, followed by Union Bank of Colombo. CT Land Development also saw strong upward momentum, while Printcare and Bagala Graphite Lanka rounded up the top gainers of the day. These stocks recorded notable price increases, contributing positively to overall market sentiment. Conversely, here are the top losers of today's trading session. Agstar Non-Voting led the list, followed by Standard Capital. York Arcade Holdings also recorded a decline, while HNB Finance Non-Voting and Mercantile Shipping Company were among the other notable losers. These counters showed downward pressure, weighing slightly on overall market performance. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. Mastercorp led the way, followed by Access Engineering. Union Bank of Colombo also added to the index's gains, while Royal Ceramics Lanka and the National Development Bank were among the other key positive contributors. These counters helped drive the ASPI higher, supporting today's overall market performance. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. John Keells Holdings led the list, followed by Central Finance Company. Ceylon Dipped Products also weighed on the index, while Commercial Bank of Ceylon and RIL Property rounded off the top negative contributors. These counters dragged the index down slightly, offsetting some of the gains made earlier in the session. Thank you, and that concludes today's market roundup.